Welcome to STEM for Girls,
where creativity meets curiosity. Let's explore hands-on activities that connect science, skilled trades, technology, engineering, and math to the world around you.
Who doesn't love a good roller coaster? Today, with some foam tubing, tape, and a few marbles, we're going to build our own roller coaster in miniature. And I'm so excited to have Nola and Carly with me today.
When I was in high school, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, and I was starting to prepare for university, and I didn't have a really clear direction on what I wanted. And one of my teachers, Mr. Graham, he was my physics teacher, he was watching me do some physics equations on resistance, actually, and he said, "You should be an engineer." And I had no idea what an engineer was, but I started looking into it because I needed to pick something to go to university, and I found out that it was all about math and science, which are the two subjects that I loved the most in school. So it was a perfect fit for me, and I'm super glad that I made that choice. The thing I like most about engineering is that it's very diverse. So you might go through school and get your engineering degree in mechanical, civil, petroleum, whatever it might be, but it opens up the doors to so many other opportunities besides the pure design engineering type of engineering that a lot of folks think engineering is. So my whole career path has gone from design to project engineering into the supply chain world, into operations. So it just opens up a lot of avenues that you can kind of take a different direction in your career path.
You'll need some foam tubing, tape, scissors, and a marble.
Start by splitting your foam in half. Careful while cutting the foam, safety first. Next, let's build a ramp using what's around you. So your marble has a nice drop. That gives it potential energy. When you release the marble, that energy converts to kinetic energy, motion. Use tape to attach your tubing into twists, turns, and loops. Try adjusting the height and curve angles. Too steep and your marble flies off. Too gentle and it won't finish the course.
Perfect one.
So when you feel that stomach drop on a roller coaster, remember, it's physics in action. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, every great idea starts with curiosity. Check out more activities, videos, and career inspiration on the STEM for Girls Learning Lab.